me trying to win the contest with the most acronyms on one slide. Um, I think went pretty well. But what this actually is, what this sphere, if you will, right? So this circle is trying to show is the collaborative manufacturing model, which, by the way, was established by the ARC. So that's not something that I came up with, of course. But what it is trying to show is that within the manufacturing space, right, we have basically we can identify three different domains, right? We have the enterprise domain that goes from the top to the bottom, right? So at the top is actually our business. We run our business. Why are we in business? Well, we sell these and these products, right? So how do we do that? We take in sales demand through our ERP, and then we send it down to our manufacturing floor to manufacture these products, and then we're going to sell those, right? So that kind of follows the ISA 95 model, ERP on top, automation layer on the bottom, and hey, what do we find there in the middle? MES. Then we have the value chain domain. This is pretty much to say the supply chain, right? It goes from suppliers and extends to the suppliers of your suppliers through your manufacturing, like taking those materials to the customers that you serve, and likely even customers of your customers, right? So the extended supply chain on a horizontal, and then we also identify the life cycle domain, as we can see. It goes right across there, from a design, initial conception of new products, right? New product introduction, all the way through manufacturing of those products, and then support those products for their duration of their life. They may come back for repair. There might be questions on usage, right? So as you can see here, every time the MES or even better manufacturing operations management is at the center, right? We know from ISA 95, MES is right in between business and the shop floor. We know that in order to control manufacturing, we use manufacturing execution system to take what we get from the suppliers to provide to our customers. And the same from a design side, right? So the PLM, like for example, Team Center can help us with designing, let's say, initial products. Then we take information from the PLM, from Team Center, like a bill of process, for example, into MES. And then based on the bill of process, we can actually execute against how the product was designed. So, and this is really important because it all comes together in that MOM and MES platform, which ultimately helps to improve collaboration, because at the end of the day, collaboration is key,